Hi everyone. Today we will discuss a simple topic, how to solve the roots of a quadratic equation. So before going to that, I want to know whether you know the difference between expression and an equation. What is meant by expression? What is meant by equation? So first, what is an expression? So expression is nothing but the combination of terms is called an expression. For x plus 4 is called an expression. So if I want to write the same thing in an equation, so anything is equated 4 plus x plus 4 equals to 0. Just writing the combination of terms and equating is called the major difference. That's it. Other than that, not everything is common. So this is the difference between expression and equation. So what is meant by quadratic equation? So the thing is, there is a the equations are divided according to the degree. Okay, so in that, if the degree is 2, so then the highest power is called degree, right? So the highest power of an equation is 2 is nothing but quadratic equation. So for example, the basic format of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So what is the highest power is 2. So this equation is said to be a quadratic equation. Whatever the format, it will be x square plus 2 is also a quadratic equation. For example, x square plus 0 into x. A term is not there means we will term it as 0 into some the relevant basic format. We will take it up and we will do see. Just we need to check with the highest power, which is nothing but degree. So the basic format of the quadratic equation you get to know by this thing, right? So first I'll go with the one of the equation how to solve. So there are two methods of solving the quadratic equation. First one is splitting middle term. Okay, splitting middle term. What is the middle term in this? So middle term is nothing but bx. We'll split bx and we will do it. Next one is like formula or else formula. Only one is there, right? So formula. So by formula also we will solve it. So when which one to be used, which one is to be when we should use a any method, I'll tell you also. So which method is to be used in which consequences, and that also we'll discuss in the end. First we will go with the process. Okay, splitting middle term. So splitting middle term, first I'll write according to the first I'll take you the question. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. If I take a equals to what, as per the thing, a equals to 5, b equals to 6, c equals to 1, right? So as of this thing, so I need to split 6. So there is a technique. So first we need to multiply a and c. So 5 into 1, nothing but it's 5, right? So we have to take the factors of 5. So what are the factors? There is a 1 table and 5 table. There are both factors only are available. It's very easy. So 1 into 5 gives you the 5. But we should not take the multiplication. We have to take as the factors of 5. 1 and 5 are the factors. So if we add or subtract, we need to get the middle term. So if I add, I'm getting it 1 plus 5. I'm getting 6 itself, right? So my whatever the factors are there that are correct, this equation is able to split the things, or else it gives the roots. If this is not possible, so the roots of the equation is not possible, we can write it up. So as the roots are satisfying, we can write x plus 5x gives you the 6x thing. So I'll go with the process now. So as of this thing, this is the rough work. Now I will go with the splitting thing. So I'll 5x square plus x. Any order you can take 5x plus x or x plus 5x. Okay, so what is the common thing in this? Common thing means exactly same thing is consisting of two terms. So 5 is there, here nothing is there, so number is not common. So here x square is there, here x is there, so x is common thing, right? So after taking x as outside, what is left? I have taken 1x from this, another x is there, a constant is there, so 5x. So x is took common, right? So I need to, so many people have the doubt of writing what to write. Already x is there here. Some people mistakenly write x, but not that one. So always a number is multiple of 1. If everything is taken outside, just write off 1. So some people will write 0. So it's wrong. If it is 0, the term will only not exist. So it will come 1. So next one, plus here also 5x is there, 1 is there. So many people will find one, nothing is common, ma'am, what should I write? No. So always nothing is common also we have to write 1. 1 is a multiple of everything. So remaining thing we can write it up. Okay, so what is common here? These two brackets should be equal. Always it should be same. Then only whatever the process we are doing, that is right. So now what is the first bracket? 5x plus 1 is the first thing, and next one x plus 1 is equals to 0. So now we have to split the things. 5x plus 1 equals to 0, 1, and x plus 1 equals to 0. So if I take plus 1 other side, it will be minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 5. Here multiple, other side will be division. And next here x equals to plus 1, other side minus 1. Okay, if you want this as a decimal also, you can write it. X equals to what we got? Minus 1 by 5 means minus 0.2, right? So other one anyhow you know that x equals to minus 1. So these are the answers. If you go with the formula also, you need to get the same answer. So that also we will do. What is the formula? This is the basic formula, and easy formula also. If in the initially we will find this is a stuff, but the thing is if we go on practicing, then it will be in your mind. Okay, so what is b as per the question? Minus 6. So 6 is the b. As the formula is minus 6, we will suggest write minus. So 6 whole square minus 4 into 5 into 1 by 2 into 5, right? So what you will get? Minus 6. What you will get? 36 minus 20, right? So what you will have here? So 36 minus 20 will be 16 by 10. So what you will get here? Plus or minus is there. I'll tell you that difference also. So 16 is a perfect square of 4. So 4 square it will be there. Actually it will be like this. Under root of 4 whole square, right? So square root will cancel. We will left with this. So by 10, right? So here we will not get the entire thing in a one go. So for this, anyhow you have know that you got minus 1 and minus 0.2. We will check with the answer. First we will write here. We will write here. So I'll write here. One second. So here, what we can write here? Minus 6. We can write minus 6 plus 4 by 10, comma minus 6 minus 4 by 10. So here it's like we have to split one's plus, one's minus. Then only we can get two roots. So quadratic expression, quadratic, the degree is 2. So two roots will be having. So how much the degree, that many the roots. Okay, that I need to say it initially. So please remember how much the degree will be there. If it is 5, if it is 6, so that many roots will be there for a equation. Okay, minus 2 by 10 comma minus 10 by 10. So 2 ones, 2 5s, right? So cancel. So minus 1 by 5 comma minus 1 x equals to, right? So it's nothing but minus 0.2 minus 1. As the previous form, whatever the splitting middle term also, we got the same thing. I told you when to use this formula, when to use that one. So splitting middle term, when the factors are low, means like easy, 6, 5, like that small numbers are there, go with the splitting one. Okay, splitting middle term, please go with it. So if it is like tough, I can't able to go with the numbers, I'm a little confused, I don't know whether the right answer is right or wrong, in that case go with the formula. Okay, this is the thing you have to follow. According to your method you can go, because for irrational numbers, if the numbers are getting root 5, so we can't get a perfect square at that moment, that is not factorizable, but you need the roots. So at that moment it is helpful that we can use the formula. At that moment splitting middle term will not helpful. So in that toughest situation, please go with the formula. Thank you so much. And if you have understood this method, please do the next problem whichever I'm giving you, and please comment in the comment section. So I'll give you the problem, so please go through the method whichever it is useful. Please comment me and do the problem. Okay, I'll give you the problem, please note it down and do it. 3x. Okay, please do this problem as an thing what you have understood with the previous problem, and do it and comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.